Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add an exclusion to Windows Security. Type Windows Security in Windows search bar. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click Add or Remove Exclusions under Exclusions. Click Add an exclusion. Click File, Folder, File Type and Process. I want to add one folder. Select folder. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.